Hello guys! So today we're going to learn about solving equations with the variable on both sides. Okay, so this time we have steps. So make sure you could either write it down somewhere to remind yourself. And there is like two examples I'll show you for this one. Like I could show you the example. Here are the examples I wrote that I will work with you. And there will be about three cases I want you to know too, and I'll write on here too. Okay, so first let's learn about solving equations with the variable on both sides, and let's learn about the steps. Use distribute property on both sides. Step 1. 2. Combine like terms on both sides. 3. Eliminate the variable from one side. 4. Isolate the variable using inverse operations, like what we have been used to be doing. Let's do one of the examples. Okay, so the first problem. 7, the quantity of a minus 2, quantity minus 6 equals 2a plus a plus 8 plus a. So first, let's actually solve this side since there is the distributive property. As usual, we have to draw arrows. Okay, so we'll have 7a minus 14 minus 6 equals 2a plus 8a. No. Plus a. Okay, so first we have to combine like terms. We just have to draw the quantity around here. And on this side, we have these two as the like term. So that means we have to combine these two together, which we get negative 27a minus negative 20 equals, which will have 2a. First we have to commutative, which is we have to combine like terms, plus 8. And then let's just bring it down again just to show you guys. And it's just going to be 3a plus 8. Okay, that's what we have so far. Okay, so as usual, we'll have use our own things. So now let's isolate the variable using inverse operation. So we'll be like subtracting the smallest number that has a variable, which is 3a. That means it is a positive, so we have to subtract both sides, which is 7a, which is very. It's like negative 3a minus negative 3a. So we just cancel this out. So this will be 4a minus 20 equals 8. We're left with a two-step equation. Okay, so now we have to find for a. Figure out what a is. Alright, so let's figure it out. So first we had to get rid of 20, which is we had to add both sides by 20. You know what's going after that. Plus 20. Okay, so we bring down 4a equals, so a plus 20 equals 28. And now we have to divide both sides by 4, which will get a equals 7. That's our answer. Isn't that not even bad? Okay, now the next one I'll give you. We'll give it a try, alright? It's not gonna be hard. As usual, it's still the variable on both sides, so we'll try that. So this time it's gonna be 18 plus 3x divided by 9 equals x. So first, before we even do these, we have to multiply both sides by 9. By doing this, whatever you want, just do this, cross it out. So we'll have 18 plus 3x. We'll have 9x. Okay, so now we have to, as usual, like I said, subtract both sides by the smallest whole number with a variable, which is 3x, which is the opposite of positive 3x is subtracted by negative 3x. Okay, so that's over. So we'll have 18 equals 9 minus 3x, which is 6x. So now we had to divide both sides by 6. We'll get 3 equals x. That's our answer. Okay, so that's what we got. That's pretty much the work we have here so far. Okay, that's it. And for this one, yep. Okay, so I will actually have. Oh, because I want you to try one of it, but I actually won't tell you the answer. So you had to check it on the internet to figure out the right answer. So try this. So I want you to try 3 plus 4 p plus 2 equals 2p plus 3 quantity of p plus 4. There you go. Okay, so you will have to solve this, alright? Pretty much have solved this, okay? So that's it for this one. And I will actually tell you the 3 cases, but I won't write it down, alright? I'm just going to tell you. I'm just going to read it to you, alright? Okay, I'm just going to clear board. Alright. Okay, I'm just going to tell you the 3 cases. The first case. 3201, please. The first case is variable that is equal to a number and one solution. An example that I could give you is 5 to a quantity of 2 plus n, quantity equals 3, a quantity of n plus 6 a quantity. So first we had to distribute both sides. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 5 times n equals 5n, which is on the other side we have 3 times n is 3n, and 3 times 6 is 18. We'll have 10 plus 5n equals 3n plus 18. So now we have to subtract the smallest number that has a variable, which is 3. So the opposite of the inverse of a positive number is a negative. So negative 3n, which is going to be like 5n minus 3n. We'll cancel 3n minus 3n, since that's going to be a 0. So that means we're left with 10 plus 2n equals 10 minus equals 18 minus 10. Okay, so now we had to subtract both sides by 10. So now we'll have 2n equals 8. So now we had to divide both sides by 2, so we'll get n equals 4. For case 2, we'll have a variable cancels out and there is a false, no solution, which is like, for example, 3 to a quantity of 1 minus r, quantity plus 5r equals 2 quantity r plus 1 quantity. So we'll have to distribute 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times r equals negative 3r plus 5r, and 2 times r equals 2r, 2 times 1 equals 2. So that means we had to subtract the smallest, since we all know that both sides has 2r. So that means we have to subtract both sides by negative 2r, which will left with 3 equals 2, which is not a solution. Okay, so case 3. If variable cancel out, there is a true statement, infinite solution, which means, for example, is the answer will be all real numbers. That means there is, for example, your answer will be like 19 equals 19, which is an infinite answer. That means any answers could work. Okay, so I have discussed every single case, and I hope this video helps. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm Emily Wu. And I hope all 4 videos help you with equations. Thank you for watching. See you next time.